How to clear your watch history on Crunchyroll. Hello everybody. If you would also like to clear your history on Crunchyroll, you may follow up the steps. First thing you need to do is you may head over to Crunchyroll within your browser or the application and open it up and be logged in into your account. Now that you're logged in, you will be finding this interface on your screen. Now what you need to do is you may look at your profile, usually look at it in the top right corner, head over to it, and once you click on it, you will be finding different options. You may look out for the history option within, click on it and open up the history. Now, if you would like to clear your history, you can directly find an option called Clear History within Crunchyroll right here in the section. You can manually go over and delete each one of them, or you can look out for this clear history and it will directly delete it in a bulk. So you can look out for clear history. Just go ahead and confirm that you would like to clear your history in viewing process, confirm it. And once you do, your history has been cleared on Crunchyroll, and that's it. So therefore, you may also follow up the same process. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.